On that now we shift our attentions to the weather because we're looking ahead to the next 2 weeks and we're heading toward what you call meteorological summer, which begins June 1st.
Yeah.
And right on time. We're seeing the temperatures do what they do.
The 90s are creeping in. Before long, the triple digits will creep in. And then we all get to,
hide in our houses.
I was going to say something inappropriate on I can't do that. We'll just say complain.
What were you going to say? Oh, okay.
Different phrase for complaining.
We'll go with hide in houses.
Yeah, that'll work. 85, that was the high today. That's very close to the normal of 84. Low this morning was 63. Very close to the normal low of 65. And outside right now, it's 83 at DFW with north winds at 13 miles an hour. Dew points are in the low 60s, so it's a tad sticky. It's not that bad. And we said yesterday we have a chance for a couple pop-up thunderstorms late in the afternoon and this evening. That is still possible. The coverage will be very, very low if they pop up, and the area they would pop up in is mainly east of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and they would be brief and at this point not severe. So if anything pops up, in fact, Timecast here shows you at 7, you see what I'm talking about? Like one blip or two little blips on radar, and then it's all gone very quickly after. Overnight is quiet. It's clear. We wake up to sunshine on Saturday. The sun will be in full force tomorrow. It'll be in full force Sunday. Both days will be on the warm side too, with highs in the lower 90s. But we are going to take a break from the rain for a little while. We've had obviously quite a lot over the last this entire year's been wet. It's the 10th wettest year to date and the 8th wettest spring to date with all the rain we've had. We're not having any this weekend. We are just going to be warm. 91 on Saturday, 92 on Sunday. That's above normal by 7 degrees. And someone at home is probably saying, well, that doesn't make sense. 7, 91, 7, 92. Well, the normal high here climbs to 85. So by Monday, +5, 90 degrees, 91 on Tuesday. This is when we start reintroducing rain chances. Will be Tuesday and certainly Wednesday and Thursday. That's the best chance that we're going to see some scattered showers and storms here in North Texas. Right now, we look at the next week's accumulated forecast of rain. We're looking Monday through the weekend of next week. An additional 1 to 2 inches of rain. And that's not very uncommon this time of the year. May is a very wet month across the United States and obviously here in North Texas. So an additional 1 to 2, maybe 2 to 3 farther to the northeast. Lesser totals look to be found out to the west toward Breckenridge, Albany, and Abilene. Tonight, mostly clear skies. Pleasant with light winds, 67. Winds are out of the north 5 to 10 tonight. Tomorrow it's a nice day. It's on the warm side, 91, but sunshine with winds out of the south 5 to 10. Turns breezy on Sunday, 92. Monday is 90. There are the scattered shower and storm chances as we get into the middle part of the week. Tuesday, 91 will be our best chances of rain. Wednesday right now and Thursday. Can't rule out a strong or severe thunderstorm. That's it's just that time of the year, but it doesn't look like a big severe weather event. 91 on Friday. Memorial Day weekend, still a chance for a few spotty showers or thunderstorms with highs in the low to mid 90s. So, it's going to be warm with highs in the 90s. It's just that time of the year, and highs will be in the middle 80s thereafter. And again, if you missed the summer forecast before, it looks like this. Near normal precip across North Texas. Our average precip for the summer, about 8 inches of rain. Looks like it's going to be drier than normal out toward the Panhandle in West Texas. They may sink into drought. North Texas right now, we're sitting with a nice surplus of rain, so that's good. The problem, though, it does look like it's going to get warmer than normal. We flip into La Nina as we get into the summer, and our DFW average high is 94.3. We will likely be above that when you average out all the numbers across the summer. We average 100. I'm sorry, that would be bad. We average 20 100-degree days here in North Texas during the summer, and I think we'll end up. This is just my guess, Jason. Maybe a little bit, and this sounds counterproductive here or counterintuitive. Maybe a little bit lower than the 20, but just going to be very warm.
So a little bit lower than the 20 100-degree days.
Yeah, I think that's because of how much moisture we've had in our. I think that's going to help. It's still going to be hot. It's Texas.
So many numbers there. It's all sinking in.
He really stepped out on a limb for that.
Yeah, he put himself out there, Pete.
You can't hear it. Now here's the thing. You can't hear this. Pete's making fun of me, and Jason's making fun of me.
You could hear me, though. You could hear me. I proudly did it.
pdelkus@wfaa.com. He'd like to send any sort of hate emails. Go ahead.